everyone. Today we are going to solve the lead code problem of must lead code problem. Question number 3 of series. Question number 3 of series must to do for interview. Okay, so let's start with the problem statement. What it says. It says remove duplicates from sorted array. We have to remove duplicate from sorted array 2. So let's consider this is our sorted array and then 5. Okay. Given an integer array nums, so this is basically nums. In a non-decreasing order, it is in non-decreasing order. Remove some duplicate in place such that each unique element appears at most twice. In the last problem we solved, we have to remove the duplicate element. But now in this nums, we have to duplicate element if only if it appears twice. It appears more than twice in the nums. Okay. So yeah, this is the uh, question. Now let's start with the solution. Okay, then we have to return the key elements. Okay, let's start. What if, like, first if nums is empty, then we have to return 0. This is the base condition. This we know. Let's consider a variable I, which not variable I, let's say count, which count the number of times a particular element appears. Okay, let's go to this array for n in nums. If this count will be greater than 2, then we have to stop there. We don't have to like increase this number, this count, correct? And then if number is not, this number is basically if this is n, if this number is not equals to the numbers on the previous second position, like this and this one, if it is not equals to this, what we will do, we will say this number appears first time, so I will say that this count, nums of count equals to this number, and then count equals to plus 1, like we have to increase the count plus 1. मतलब मैंने कहा कि जैसे लेट्स कंसिडर दिस थर्ड, हमने थर्ड एलिमेंट लिया, हमने देखा कि इस पर जो वैल्यू है ये है 1, और इसके प्रीवियस पे जो वैल्यू है वो भी क्या है 1, तो ये इस लूप में गया ही नहीं, उसने अकाउंट को इंक्रीज किया ही नहीं, उसने कहा कि भाई इस पे कुछ नहीं है, इसको स्किप कर दो, क्योंकि ये कंसिडरेबल ही नहीं है उस काउंट में। अब हम गए 2 पे, ठीक है, 2 फर्स्ट टाइम अपीयर हुआ, ठीक है, ये 2 के नेक्स्ट 2 पे क्या है 1, तो 2 इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू 1, ये इसके अंदर गया, और काउंट भी अभी क्या है, काउंट भी क्या है 1, ठीक है, तो ये गया यहाँ पे, एंड देन उसने बोला कि अब ये काउंट 1 है, मतलब ये फर्स्ट टाइम अपीयर हुआ है अगेन, सो इट विल इंक्रीज द काउंट, एंड उसके अंदर वो वैल्यू डाल देंगे, और फिर यहाँ पे मैं कहूंगी कि भाई अब हो गया तुम्हारा, उसके बाद जो भी काउंट की वैल्यू होगी ना कि कितना काउंट आया, वो के कितना है वो रिटर्न कर दो, ठीक है। सो दिस इज द होल पॉइंट. So this is basically an OR condition. Count can be increased. Count can be 5, but then the the value on the third should not be same as the value at the fifth index. This is if this is failing, so we will check this condition. If it this also fails, then we will say that we have to skip that particular index. Like in this case, both the condition fails, so we will skip this index and will not consider this index. We will consider this. So yeah, that's all. So this is the solution that I put the in the lead code and it's working fine. So the time complexity for this is OK power n because we are tracing the whole array one time, and space complexity is OK power 1 because we are not using any other array except the given nums array. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today. Thank you everyone. Bye.